Listen up, y'all listening? Listen up. The fact that I'm waking up right now, right? The fact that I'm waking up right now to see that this nigga and his team, I know it's not his team. I know it's his gonna tell the Breakfast Club the only reason why this motherfucker asking for spousal support because I was asking for everything. Because I was asking for everything and because I don't be with my kid. Yo, you such a fucking nigga. Word to my mother. I want you to die, but I want you to die slow, nigga. When you die, nigga, I want you to die slow in the bed. And while you die, nigga, you gotta think of me. Let me tell y'all something, right? When I first filed for fucking child support, my lawyer filed for child support. I mean, when I first filed for divorce, my lawyer filed for shit. And this nigga started spazzing, right? So I told my lawyer, there's a renew, what's that shit called? There's a renew divorce paper, right? And in the renewed divorce paper, I asked for no child support. I didn't ask for no child support because I want to be done with this marriage. Like, I feel like I'm tied up. I asked for no child support. Kiari is allowed to see my kid. There is not one day that he's not allowed to see my kid. Okay? He stood up my kids 3 times. He have seen Blossom only like 5 times. Okay? And I've been trying to save your face. But for you, stop playing saying that I don't be seeing my fucking kids. Stop playing. Because you don't want to look like a less of a bitch ass nigga. All right. If I keep you away from the kids, right? All right. You talk to the kids almost every single day. You call the kids every single day. I allow you to talk to the kids every single day. If I allow you to talk to the kids, why would I not allow you not to see the kid? It was a point that he was making a big deal like, oh, I'm not going to go to New York to see the kids because I'm not going to be seeing my kids in a hotel room. All right. I was like, all right, so you could see him in my mom's house. You still made it a big deal. And I love my daughter so much. Yo, if I'm lying, my kids could die if I'm lying. I said, you know what? To make it easier for you, you could see the kids in my house. Just because I want my daughter to feel the love of her dad, because I want my kids to have that love of their dad. I want the love of both parents, even if we're not together. Also, the last time we seen the kids was in March on Cody's birthday. Okay? So before you start talking to me about I don't see my kids, let's talk about it. You haven't seen the kids since March. Okay? You say you need help. You need to go to I don't know where you need that. You need some help. I've been giving you grace because I know you're not mentally well. You're in the Atlanta house. You're in the Atlanta house right now. And you're going over there. And I want you and you know what's so crazy? I've been wanting to go over there and clap. Because at the end of the day, I'm paying for the bill and that I'm paying for the whole year. But you know what? You harass me so much I just want peace. I want peace. You want to be with your house? All right, fine. Just please leave me alone. I just want to leave me alone. I just want to be left alone. I want to be free. Baby, whatever you want, I'll give it to you. I just want to be free. I don't want to be called 40,000 times. I've been trying to protect your image, but you asking me for spousal support, and it's like, wow, that's some real. You're trying to make it seem like because I'm a bad mom. Well, when you tell me I'm a bad mom, make sure you tell me Cardi B, Belcalis Marlenis Amanzar is paying 50,000 for her kids because you don't help me with nothing. Go tell the people when's the last time you seen kids. And you know what you did? You know what you did? You know what you did? You coerced my daughter. You did a video and you keep threatening about this video. I don't give a I take a picture every single day. I can tell y'all every single day where I be at work. You coerced my daughter to say on FaceTime, oh, I miss my mommy. She's never here. She this, and that. And every single day you threaten video. Like if I don't be busting my ass for the kids, you know I was going to stay quiet. But you're not going to be sitting here in the industry trying to say that I'm a mom.